What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another brand new episode, and today we're gonna be showing you a very quick tutorial on how to find any Wi-Fi password on your Windows PC. This video is very useful to you in many real-life situations, such as if you forget your Wi-Fi password, but luckily the password is saved on your Windows PC and you can get it right away. And this method has also worked for almost all the other previous Windows operating systems as well. Or if you're a person who doesn't like to remember any passwords and you need to share your Wi-Fi with another device or with a friend or someone and so on, you can get the Wi-Fi password quickly without even accessing your Wi-Fi router interface or without resetting your modem to a new password. If your situation matching to this is the video for you. And I forget to say something that you can also use this trick to find your friends or neighbors' Wi-Fi password as well. So first thing first, head over to your taskbar and on the lower right corner you will find your Wi-Fi network logo right over here. Just right click on it and choose Open Network and Sharing Center. Now you will see a window will appear just like this, which is the Open Network and Sharing Center. And from here you're gonna want to click on your Wi-Fi name on the connection section. Now you will see a little window appear. Head over to the wireless properties from here. Now you will see another tiny window pops up. Now you need to go to the security tab, and here you can see wireless encryption type and so on. Just below that you will notice an option called network security key. Now you need to check this box called show characters, and boom, here is your Wi-Fi password. From now on, it's not necessary to remember your password, so that's how you can find any Wi-Fi password on Windows 10, 8, 7, so on. If you feel this video helpful, give a thumbs up. If you do that, it will definitely encourage me to do more amazing content for you people. And if you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel. You're watching Ask the Nerd, and this is your host Sono Burkhande. Cheers, have a good one. Catch you guys soon for the next video. Peace out.